Welcome to BizTech Solutions, where you'll always find the best deals in the market. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 kitchen gadgets. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Number 10. Instant Pot Duo Nova Pressure Cooker 7-in-1, 6 quarts. The use and cleaning of this pressure cooker are both straightforward. When you are finished cooking, you may simply press a button to relieve the pressure in the cooker. It can be used to brown meat and vegetables before adding liquid. Grains, beans, rough vegetables, and hefty chunks of meat are all cooked until they're moist and soft, and then plated up. In addition, it is simple to operate. Because it automatically seals your Instant Pot, the new Easy Seal lid means you have one less thing to worry about. Steam release is also a breeze thanks to the quick release button, which allows for a speedy and safe discharge of steam. And it even has a bonus sealing ring, as well as 10 additional safety features that are UL certified, allowing you to set it and forget it. You can get on with your day while the Duo Nova cooks your meal securely and fast, with minimal mess and easy cleanup after it's done for you. Because it is made of food-grade stainless steel 304/18/8, the Duo Nova's cooking pot is both dishwasher safe and long-lasting, and it has no chemical coating. Controls that are easy to understand. The multi-cooker's cooking phase is intuitively indicated by an elegant blue LCD display. Convenient one-touch control of 13 programs that may be adjusted to recall your preferred cooking style. Number 9. Briefton 7-Blade Spiralizer. Because it has 7 designated blades that are constantly ultra-sharp, this spiralizer is one of the most durable on the market. Suction pad that stays firmly fastened onto your countertop for hours on end makes it durable enough to chop even the toughest vegetables such as butternut squash, sweet potatoes, and beets. It is simple to clean and store. It's ideal for everyone who is interested in eating more healthfully. The most efficient method of replacing high-carb/high-calorie meals with healthy, vegetarian alternatives. Number 8. Mueller Austria Multipurpose Hand Blender. The Mueller Ultra Stick is one of the most useful and innovative kitchen devices available. Make delectable desserts, soups, and cocktails in your kitchen. A powerful motor can sustain continuous operation and has been shown to last 3 times as long as motors found in other stick blenders. It's ideal for blending up baby food and anything else that requires blending, such as pancake batter, homemade tomato sauce, and smoothies, among other recipes. Number 7. Ocma Stand Mixer. This Ocma stand mixer is the pinnacle in kitchen tools, and it is also the mixer that professional chefs rely on. Among the features are a metal flat beater, a spiral dough hook, and a 6-wire whisk to help you whip up your culinary masterpieces in record time and with precision. This recipe is ideal for both home cooks and professional chefs who work in the baking industry. Number 6. Nutri RXN 17-1001 Blender. You may use this high-powered blender to pulverize any ingredients that you put in it. To make cleaning the blades easier, simply twist them out. When placed on the top rack of the dishwasher, the 2 cups are safe to use. An additional 7-minute heating cycle can be used to heat soups, sauces, and blended warm beverages to a comfortable temperature. In addition, you will receive an Optimum Health book, which will show you how to create customized recipes to address your specific health concern. This blender is ideal for health-conscious individuals who prefer mixing fruit and/or vegetable smoothies with any additional nuts, seeds, and other superfoods to create a smooth beverage. Number 5. Cuisinart C77S 15-pack Knife Block Set. These are the knives that are used in professional kitchens and by chefs all around the world to prepare their dishes. They are the ideal knife, and their durability and precision are highly regarded in kitchens all over the world. This recipe is ideal for all aspiring chefs, regardless of skill level. They are a long-term investment that will provide you with many years of cooking enjoyment. Number 4. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Round Wide Dutch Oven. The Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven is ideal for browning meat on the stovetop before slow braising it in the oven for many hours. The exterior is chip resistant, while the interior has a smooth finish that promotes browning, inhibits burning, and is stain resistant due to the presence of a natural pigment. The dome-shaped lid fits snugly, preserving the flavor and moisture inside the container. For in-home cooks and professional chefs alike, the KitchenAid mixer is regarded as an icon among kitchen tools and a must-have. Number 3. iRobot BravaJet M6 6110. This is the pinnacle of in-home technology, a robot mop that cleans where you direct it to do so. It is equipped with a precision jet spray to quickly and effectively clean up sticky stains and grease. It is suitable for cleaning hard floors such as hardwood, tile, and stone. It is led by sophisticated algorithms and learns the structure of your home, allowing it to travel around things and under furniture without incident. While you are working on your paid job, the cleaning is completed. Number 2. Dice Pro Citrus Zester and Cheese Grater. When you use this Dice Pro Citrus Zester and Cheese Grater, zesting and grating become a breeze. In addition to the razor-sharp stainless steel blade that will delicately peel your citrus fruits, the unusual curved sides make it incredibly rigid and allow you to apply more power as necessary. Replace your clunky, hazardous, and difficult-to-clean box grater or heavy electric food processor with a single Dice cheese grater to save space and time in your kitchen. The teeth of the metal grater will not clog up like the teeth of other graters, making cleanup a breeze. The cheese will melt nearly instantaneously on boiling spaghetti if you use it with hard cheeses. Using almost minimal pressure, shred the toughest cheese into fluff like crumbs. Slice the rinds of oranges, lemons, and limes with the cutter knife in a single motion. You can have freshly grated garlic or ginger in seconds, or you can indulge in a favorite confection topped with fluffy chocolate flakes in minutes. Number 1. Etec City Food Kitchen Scale. Using this digital kitchen food scale, you can get an accurate reading on a huge LCD display, which is necessary for effective baking. With finer increments, it can weigh up to 11 pounds in total. This kitchen scale is ideal for all home and professional chefs who require precise measurements in the kitchen. High precision weight. The Audacity Digital Food Scale, which has 4 built-in high-precision load sensors, can measure ingredients in 0.05 ounces/1 gram increments when adding them. Tare function. The tare function allows you to remove the weight of the container from the total weight of the product, which can help you get a more accurate reading for food and ingredients while weighing them. Features that are user-friendly include: this scale contains a backlit LCD display that remains illuminated for 30 seconds for reading purposes, as well as an auto-off mode that allows the scale to switch off after 2 minutes to conserve battery life. Confidence in your purchase. The platform is made of food-grade stainless steel and is completely safe to use with food. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.